Renting versus buying is a personal financial decision. Understanding both options helps avoid costly mistakes. This video is for educational purposes only. Subscribe to USA Property and Money Guide for more simple explanations. In 2026, there is no single right answer. The best choice depends on income, job stability, savings, and lifestyle. Renting is not bad. Buying is not always good. The smart decision is the one that fits your financial situation. In 2026, there is no single right answer. The best choice depends on income, job stability, savings, and lifestyle. Renting is not bad. Buying is not always good. The smart decision is the one that fits your financial situation. Renting offers flexibility. You can move easily if your job or lifestyle changes. Buying offers stability. Your monthly mortgage may stay similar, and you own the home. People who plan to stay in one place for many years often choose buying. Those who expect change often prefer renting. Let's take a simple example. A renter may pay the same rent every month, but a homeowner pays mortgage, property tax, insurance, and repairs. In the short term, renting can be cheaper, but in the long term, buying may help build wealth through equity. This is why Americans carefully compare monthly costs before deciding. Buying a home means you take a mortgage and become the owner of the property. Instead of rent, you pay a monthly mortgage payment to the bank. Over time, homeowners build equity. Equity means the part of the home that truly belongs to you. However, buying also comes with extra costs like maintenance, taxes, and insurance. Renting means you pay monthly rent to live in a home you do not own. In the USA, renting is very common, especially in big cities. Renters usually do not pay for repairs, property taxes, or insurance. This makes renting simple and flexible. For example, if someone moves for a job, renting allows them to move easily without selling a house. In the United States, millions of people ask the same question every year. Should I rent a home or should I buy one? Some people say renting is a waste of money. Others say buying a house is too risky. In this video, we will clearly explain renting versus buying in the USA, so you can understand how Americans make this decision.